We are finishing up the bread from earlier because everybody wants to know what it is that we are doing. So give me just a second to put this in my holder here. There we are. Alright, so this is the last one, make it a beat down. Okay. There we are. So, guys, you want to hit this a few times? You want to hit this dough a few times? Take out some anger. There we go. So it's great for PTSD, people. You want to do something that's fun, yet kind of violent, make bread. I got all the respect in the world for bakers. Yeah, everybody can laugh at me, but gotta get it broken down. Tighten it up. There we go. Amish bread, you gotta let it. There we are. Maybe we can rename it brain bread to help your PTSD. Alright, there we go. What do you think, everybody? There we go. Yeah, just did 2 other ones like this. Oh, I'm a little tired. Alright, there we go. More flour, bread flour. There we go. Alright, good. More, but there we are. So like that. So that. Okay. I don't know what this is. 30 minutes. I'm gonna cut this one in half and do this one again. Just he's making me mad. That's why. Oil. A little bit of oil. There we go. Alright, so we'll put him back here. Here we go, everybody. Okay. So, I gotta clean up my mess now, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great night. Had a great dance tonight, and the bread's all rising for the last time now. We'll put it in the oven. If I have time, I'll go live again. But I gotta clean up my mess because the next one is pretty much putting in the oven. Goes in the oven for about 20 minutes after 30 minutes. So, say 10:30. I will go ahead and put them in the oven, so I'll come back at 10:30. Okay. See everybody. Oh, let me get this off here. All right. Hey, Larry. Hey, Carla.